right, y'all, watch me install this unit in under 5 minutes. I should be. So you're gonna adjust it, make sure your ears are out. Sometimes you gotta go back in and cut some more. So you're just going to, you see how that's kind of bended on my ear? You're gonna cut a little bit more. Ooh. That's why I needed my clips, because it keeps the baby hairs out your way. But,
I hope I don't be.
oh, it's okay, Mom. I've done it a million times without. People gonna work with what they got.
Man. Look at me, amen.
And you're gonna cut this other side a little bit more. You want your ears to have enough room to breathe. And it'll also lay flatter the more you cut it. So I just kind of keep cutting till it's laying flat. And then both sides are laying flat at this point. So next thing you're gonna do is cut straight up. And I like to work in sections. So I kind of just cut it straight up. Now, I know some people like using these things, these little Annie things, but I feel like you get way more control with a scissor. So I'm gonna just, this is the part where you want to make sure to do it at a jagged edge instead of going straight across. So I'm gonna just keep moving my scissors back and forth. See, you don't want to get any baby hairs in it. Baby hairs is what makes it look natural. So it's gonna look chewed up at the front, but that's how you make it look natural. Big thing is less is more. Like I can see I left a little hang time on this side. So I'm gonna just go through and cut a little bit more on. Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Thanks, Mom. I love it. I think she's so pretty. So next I'm gonna go in with the even spray. So next we're gonna take this and spray it in the cap. Cause you want the product. And I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. Cause that's what we'll use in the front. The sides I spray straight on. Then you're gonna let that get a little tacky. You wanna let it dry down for a minute or so. Is that too much forehead, Mom? Right there? That's enough? All right, so we're letting those sides dry down for a minute or so. Or like just get tacky. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this product in here. See, it's kind of starting to oxidize in there. Oops, hopefully y'all can see it. And then we're gonna lay the sides down. I like to go directly on the scalp with product on the sides because that's our most stubborn area. That's the part that's gonna lift if it's gonna lift at all. Okay. And then we're gonna go on with our elastic band and just let her completely dry down on the sides. And we're gonna take the strap off. And you'll see it's starting to blend. Now we're going back in with what we made. And go in with a little brush, pick up some product, wipe off the excess. Yep. Now, the reason I like using a brush is you can control the product a lot more with a brush rather than spraying it right on the scalp. I normally like using a smaller brush, y'all. So if you can find a little baby, like lipstick brush almost, it's like perfect. Now we're gonna lay this down again. Y'all trust the process. Let it dry down a minute. Just because you don't want to put a strap over wet. So you let it get a little tacky and then throw her on. Okay, y'all, next we're going to take off the band. Now, there's some problem areas not really problem, but I like kind of pulling the hair out towards the front. It just kind of makes the hairline look more natural. Y'all know I am not a... How we doing with time, Mom?
9:19.
Right, y'all. My favorite hold spray of all time. So good. All right, y'all. Last time with the elastic band. And we're going to get dressed and get ready for work, okay? So I will come back for the big reveal at the end. All right, y'all. Here is the final look. And she is fire obsessed. This again is Riley in the natural dark brown. If you see the orange cart below, y'all, go ahead and take advantage. She is available. And again, she's in the natural dark brown. I'll see y'all next video. Bye, y'all.